Have you ever wondered how our ancestors managed to stay healthy without the plethora of modern medicines we have today? The answer lies in the power of nature, more specifically, in the power of herbs. Welcome to the fascinating world of herbal remedies. Today, we're going to dive into the art of creating an effective and soothing herbal remedy that you can easily prepare at home. We'll focus on a popular favorite, a calming chamomile tea blend. Chamomile, a daisy-like plant, has been used for centuries due to its anti-inflammatory and calming properties. To make this, you'll need dried chamomile flowers, dried lavender buds, and dried lemon balm leaves. Each of these ingredients plays a crucial role. Chamomile is known for its soothing properties. Lavender adds a pleasant aroma and helps reduce stress, while lemon balm uplifts the mood. Start by combining 2 parts of chamomile flowers, 1 part lavender buds, and 1 part lemon balm leaves in a bowl. Mix them well to ensure they're evenly distributed. Now take a teaspoon of this herbal blend and add it to a cup of boiling water. Cover the cup and steep for about 10 minutes. After this, strain the tea into another cup. There you have it, a cup of calming chamomile tea blend, perfect for those stressful days or before bedtime to promote a good night's sleep. Remember, the strength of the tea can be adjusted by adding more or less of the herbal blend. Also, while this tea blend is generally safe for adults, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare provider before trying any new herbal remedy. In today's video, we've delved into the world of herbal remedies, focusing on how to make a calming chamomile tea blend. We've explored the benefits of each herb used: chamomile for its soothing effect, lavender for stress relief, and lemon balm for its mood-enhancing properties. We also walked through the simple steps of making this herbal tea blend at home, emphasizing the importance of steeping the tea for the right amount of time to extract the maximum benefits. Herbal remedies like the calming chamomile tea blend offer a natural, holistic way to support our health. However, it's important to remember that herbs are powerful, and their effects can vary from person to person. Always consult with a healthcare provider before incorporating new herbal remedies into your routine. Thanks for joining in to explore the enriching world of herbal remedies. Until next time, stay healthy, stay natural.